Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and one situation that comes up quite a bit for our clients is when you're going to that doctor's visit and you know that that is the visit where he's going to release you, he's going to put you, in his or her opinion, at maximum medical improvement. What are the questions that need to be asked of the doctor so that the injured worker, so that you'll be fully informed as to where you go next? Well, in no particular order, make sure you ask the doctor if all medical options have now been exhausted, meaning, is there anything else that can be done to help your condition? And the doctor either will say, no, from a medical standpoint, there's not, or the doctor could say, well, we could try some more therapy, or you may still need some medicine. That may not change the doctor's opinion about you reaching maximum medical improvement, but at least to let you know what that doctor's thinking by way of future medical care for you. Secondly, you need to find out whether or not you're going to be having a functional capacities evaluation, an FCE, and I'll explain that in another video, but that's a set of tests to determine your abilities. The reason why the doctor does that really is for twofold. One is to figure out, because they may also do some testing on your impairment rating, is to figure out whether you have a permanent physical impairment rating, and that's called a PPI. And secondly, and equally as important in my opinion, is from the FCE, they'll determine what type of abilities or inabilities that you may have in a workplace. And it's not a perfect science in that it's only a 3 to 4 hour test, and somehow that's supposed to extrapolate over a 40-hour work week, but it's the system that we have. But you need to get straight with the doctor. Are you going to be having an FCE? And sometimes they'll send you for that. You should also know that by law your work comp weekly checks will stop in most instances. Sometimes we can keep them going, but most of the time by operation of law they stop. You also should find out from your doctor, whether it's at that visit or the subsequent one after the FCE comes out, is your doctor's opinions about returning to work and what he or she thinks that you can and cannot do in the workplace. Hopefully you fully informed your doctor as to what the job title is, the responsibilities, the physical demands of the job. If you have not, you really need to, so that the doctor's fully informed. So when the FCE comes back and it says you have certain lifting limitations, etc., he or she will know more about having an opinion, being able to better form an opinion as to going back to work for you. So there are other questions, but those are the key ones. If you have questions or concerns, or you're coming up to your appointment with your doctor for maximum medical improvement, give us a call at the Nomberg Law Firm. We can be reached at 205-930-6900, nomberglaw.com it's our website. We also have a YouTube channel, Nomberg Law Firm, as well as Facebook and Twitter.